Hello and welcome to this lecture. As you can see here, this is the GTR 4.1G robot in action, and this is very interesting. According to the red lines and the blue lines here, you have seen it just in real time. Whole orders that were open here were immediately closed as a batch together for a profit of $4, and that happened already twice. This is the first group of lines that indicates that the first batch of orders were closed for a profit of $4, and the second group of lines here indicate that it happened again, and another batch, another collection of orders were closed simultaneously for a profit of another $4. Okay, and how long did it take? Well, that's very easy to find out. Let's go to the account history, and we are now November 15th. So here is the first trade that was opened in this live demonstration. That happened in 1522. Okay, 1522, and the last order that were closed was 1553. So within 30 minutes, okay, give or take 30 minutes, the robot DCA already profited 4 plus 4, $8. $8 in two separate batches of orders that were closed simultaneously, each of them for a profit of $4. Now we probably ask, okay, how do you know it was the profit of $4? You didn't count all these profits and losses there. You didn't do any accumulation of the profits and losses. Well, I have my little secret, and this is my advantage, that I know how this robot works. And moreover, I know what are the parameters of the GTR input file. This is the configuration file, which is the brain. This is the brain behind the robot. This is the algorithm, in a way, that runs in background and actually controls the robot. And I just put it on the screen for a very short while, just to let you know what I mean. Here it is. This is, as you can see, the GTR inputs. And here you see something that is called process take profit equals 4. It means that every batch of this process is closed for a profit of $4. Okay, so this is the preliminary, the in advance knowledge that I have, so I knew that each batch is closed for $4. Okay, so from the start of this demonstration, just about half an hour ago, this Algo already profited 4 and another $4, which is quite nice, and it's running. And as you can see, from running the first batch to running the second batch, now running the third batch, I didn't do anything. I didn't have to take control of the robot. I didn't give him any input. I wasn't involved at all. That whole process was fully automatic. Okay, and I'm sure you agree with me that this is simply great. I'm sure you would join me in being such an enthusiastic about the whole process of algo trading, specifically in Forex. Alright, so in my subjective opinion, that was a very interesting demonstration, specifically because it happens on live trading, nothing I could prepare in advance, in order to show you how this robot is successfully closing these two batches profitably, one after the other. Okay, so I will end this lecture right now, and in the next lecture we'll start to see what is the infrastructure behind the scenes that is required to run the robot, and what are the different portions, where are they located, how do I start the whole process of algo trading over the MetaTrader 4. It's going to be very interesting, so stay tuned, and until the next lecture, just be happy.